Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me I do have a 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. It is in the granite crystal metallic clear coat with the black leather interior. As you can see, chrome mirrors, door handles, nice chrome trim around the windows. Then coming down here to your wheels, we are riding on 18-inch alloys, which look very nice. Then coming around back, as you can see, rear parking sensors, backup camera. You do have a power trunk on this model as well. And then looking at your key, lock, unlock your power trunk as well as your remote start and panic. So you do have smart key on this model, so just keep the key fob on you, hand behind the door handle to unlock. And then coming in, this one does have 52,595 miles. So foot on the brake and your button to start. So let's go ahead and check out underneath the hood. Now coming underneath the hood, we have a 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 engine. This features 293 horsepower and 260 foot-pounds of torque, all going to the rear wheels in this example, and to an 8-speed automatic transmission. There is an upgrade, Hemi V8, but of course that's only needed if you're doing an abundance of towing. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now before stepping in, over here on your side mirrors, they're going to be chrome with your turn signal indicators heated, and they are auto dimming as well. Then coming in, as you can see, that black leather interior with contrast white stitching, all your power adjustments down below with your 4-way power lumbar, as well as 2-person memory over here on the door. Nice padded upper door panel materials, padded and stitched armrests with your locks, windows and mirrors, door storage down below. Of course, over here we do have our automatic headlights, panel dim, and gas cap release. Then coming to your steering wheel, it is going to be a 3-spoke leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. 4-way D-pad for that center LCD screen right there. You can, of course, configure it however you would like to. Voice commands and Bluetooth, as well as cruise control over here on the right side. Paddle shifters mounted on the back of the wheel. Then over here on the left, we do have our wipers, turn signals, rear wiper controls, high beams, and turn signals. And then, of course, just your start-stop button over here on the right. Coming to your audio system, checking out your sources, we do have our AM, FM, XM, as well as we do have USB, auxiliary, Bluetooth streaming audio, all the, of course, modern stuff. Bluetooth phone right here, you have your compass, and then climate controls, dual zone, independent climate, dual stage heated seats for your front passengers, and then your heated steering wheel right there. Down below that, just some hard key buttons for your climate and stuff like that. You do have parking sensors, auto start stop, as well as your eco, sport mode, and traction control. Underneath here you have some audio inputs as well as a 12-volt outlet. Then here's going to be that 8-speed automatic with your sport mode and manual shift. In reverse, you have rear parking sensors as well as a backup camera. Storage right here, cup holders. They are illuminated with ambient lighting, which is a nice touch. Stitched and padded armrest that is dual tier, felt lined. Glove box, nice and damped, felt lined as well. You do have your owner's manuals up top right here, which is a nice touch. Auto dimming rearview mirror. Mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor. Map lights, and a little bit of sunglass storage up top. So giving a nice view of the dash right here, we'll go ahead and check out the rear seat. Now coming back here, of course that black leather interior with your contrast stitching follows through. Door panel materials follow through as well with your power windows, stitched and padded armrest, and door storage. Front seat set by 5'9" driving frame, plenty of room. Dual seat mat pockets, of course. As you can see, your rear AC vents, 2 USB charging outlets, as well as your dual stage heated outboard seats and a household power outlet. So lots of amenities back here in the rear seat. Padded and stitched armrest with some cup holders. And then up top we do have some reading lights as well as some coat hooks. So it is a very nice touch back here in the rear seat to have all of the heated seats, the charging options, as well as the armrest and such. So we'll check out the cargo area and then we can wrap up the video. Now coming around back, to open up your power hatch, there's a button inside, a membrane underneath your license plate, as well as a button on your key. Double press that and it will open right up. Coming back here, rear seats do fold down 60/40. You have a rear tonneau cover right here to keep prying eyes off of your stuff. As you can see, those front carpeted mats. As you can see, it is lined very nicely with some kick plates right here to protect your plastic, as well as some protection right here for your carpets. Storage on either sides. You have a nice little emergency flashlight over here, which is a nice touch. And underneath your cargo floor, temporary spare tire and jack. So just go ahead and press the button over here to close up your hatch. And then that'll be it for this 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. Now if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model load here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.